Before you start, don't forget to use some type of cover. The last thing you want to do is mess up your surfaces, so we used a plastic cutting board, which is pretty secure. So we started with the base. You can cut out a larger piece of clay and start modeling it right away. You can always remove excess, and it's easier than adding more because it will take a lot of time to smooth out the lines. And please make sure that you're using water during this process because it will help shape the clay. After all, once your clay dries, you will be able to sand it down, alter the shape if it's slightly uneven, and get rid of any visible bumps. For the cones, just make sure you start rolling the clay upwards for starters. Then you can smooth the edges with your fingers and work on the form. This process requires some time, but we promise you it's worth it. To make the top spikier, just pinch it with your fingers and drag it up. Try to be gentle as you're shaping. If you grip the clay too tightly, you will have dents and marks which will be a bit hard to get rid of. After you've finished modeling your cones and your base, let them dry for at least 48 hours before you start sanding them and painting them. For the painting process, please make sure you have water and turpentine ready to go, because we're using different types of paint and cleaning your brushes between colors is essential. In our case, because we're making an ombre effect, we clean our brushes between each layer. This allows us to blend with more ease, and you can always remove excess paint with a paper towel. Once you've finished painting, put everything aside and let them fully dry before using varnish. This is an optional step, but apart from making your design shiny, it will also protect it from any damage. The final step is to glue your cones to the base and let the glue dry as well. And you're done! This stand is primarily for rings you wear on a daily basis, and it's an easy storage solution. You can also keep your go-to bracelets there. Let us know if you like the design in the comments below, and tag us if you choose to recreate it. We can't wait to see your take on it. Thank you for watching. Love, Encore.